Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening up the summer 2022 FabFitFun box. I love how purple it is and I love all the little ice cream designs. Isn't that cute? Ouch. It's very heavy today. I mean, I kind of like the stickers, but I don't like the ones that say FabFitFun on them because why would you need that? I don't know, I just think that's a little silly. You know, some people might like it. FabFitFun magazine. Summer is here. Summer is my favorite holiday. All right, we have Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I have no idea what this is, but I think that it's something that you put in your drink. Oh yeah, electrolyte drink mix. I'm not sure about these things. Sometimes they taste really bad and I would have to see what the ingredients are before I decide to put that in my body. What do we have here? A coupon for Daily Harvest. All right, the first thing in here is something called a desk pad, which is black and white polka dot. I kind of need a desk pad because my desk is kind of like brown and boring. Ah, ooh. Feels soft. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is cute. That is so cute. You know, little extra things in life to make you happy. It's nice. Very, very nice. Next thing. The next thing we have is the Kaio body scrubber. It's one body scrubber. Oh, okay, I see. That's interesting. I guess you put your fingers in here and you scrub your body with it. It seems like a good idea for vacationing because this is something that you can easily dry and put away. And so you don't have to worry about it like molding in your suitcase or anything like that. I'd have to look at a tutorial though to make sure I'm not doing anything extraordinarily stupid with it. Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. Ooh. The smell is, I don't know. Oh, sea salt and citrus. It smells really good. I really like it. I hope that when I smell this, when it's burning, that it gives me a lasting smile. I know, I'm a weirdo. There was an option for my favorite face cream, so this is it right here, the Do Not Age. And so I picked that out of the other products that were available to choose from because that was the only thing that I was like, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna use it for sure. Out of that category. What is this? Stacking canisters, set of 2 with lids. Like I said last time, I always forget what I pick. For me, it's like a little surprise. Ooh. Oh, this is great for the kitchen. These things come in handy, don't they? This poly bag is made from recycled material. Well, that is great. I love that. See, it has like this rubber contraption here to help it seal whatever's in there. I think this is great, but I don't feel like it was made well because it's like doing some weird stuff. I don't know, we'll see. There's some weird happenings with the lid. So you see it's like almost like inside of that and then this is sticking out and you kind of have to like, I don't know. This is kind of bizarre. Okay, now it's kind of even. You have to like move it around to make it like, see how it's like going inwards here and out. If I could just push that over and see if that even works. I don't know, maybe that's why they were in a FabFitFun box. Decisions. Wait, there was something else. Okay, this Sanctuary necklace. It's pink, it's cute. I don't know how long it is, let's see. It's like your average size chain, average length. It's cute, nice little option to have. I don't have anything like this. So that'll be a nice little addition to my necklace collection. All right, what is this? Leave-in conditioner. I use this stuff up like you wouldn't believe. Hair leave-in conditioner. I can kind of smell it even though it's sealed. It's very refreshing. I think there's like some kind of lemony smell. It's called Natura Ecos Muro. We are vegan, we use fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon, and 95% natural origin. I like things that smell good. All right. Oh yes, this was the one thing I remembered picking because it was like the only thing that looked nice from all the other options. And I actually have one of these already, but it's starting to falter on the timing of what I use it for. So let me just show you and what I potentially can do is a review on it between the Revlon version and this one. Oh, well, this one's way bigger than the Revlon one, which probably makes more sense for the length of my hair. Yeah, this is definitely bigger. And it's got a mixture of the boar bristle and the plastic. So what the plastic does, it holds on to your hair. The plastic little beads on the end, you want these to be here because they prevent your hair from breaking. And the coarse bristle is to keep your hair smooth. So when you're blow drying it, if you don't have like that bristle stuff, your hair will frizz much faster than if you have it with the bristles. So this is a great tool. It feels really nice. It's very soft. And I will try it and let you guys know. Maybe I'll do a video and I'll use one on one side and one on the other, and I'll let you know. There is one more thing. Ta-da! What'd you guys think of this? I thought this was a really fun box. I especially am happy that I have a hat that's like very lightweight, because as you all know, I complain about my neck problems. I don't know if it goes like this or like this. I guess it's all up to me. Anyway, I think this is cute. It'll be fun for the beach. As you all know, I love the beach and I love summer. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite product and what was your least favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you know when my next video comes up, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!